Look.
Tita. Tita, do you have glasses for Bella?
Yes.
Can you see?
Yeah, I will do.
Because it's close. Let's take time.
What is that?
Pakainin mo pagdating mo, ha?
There's a lot of shells.
Small sand. Sand.
What do you think is beautiful?
Yes, this one. What is that?
This one?
Super large
Yeah.
sand.
It's spiral.
Super large sand.
Yeah.
What